Alright, I'm going to show you how to disassemble and clean a 4-cycle weed eater carburetor. First, on the throttle side, we're going to loosen this up to gain access to this screw. We're going to take the other 4 screws out. It's tougher than I thought. There we go. Now, unless you have a rebuild kit handy, be careful not to tear any of the gaskets or diaphragms. And take the primer bulb off. Be very careful not to tear up this diaphragm. Now, see, that's a little bit corroded, nasty looking there. This is too. But the screen doesn't have any trash in it. You move so you can see this. There's no trash in the screen. That's good. Like I said, this is a little yucky. So we're going to use carburetor cleaner. I always go by Walmart and pick up the SuperTech carburetor and air intake cleaner. It's $1.97. which is a lot cheaper than the other brands, and it does the same thing. So why pay more when you can pay less, right? Be very careful not to get the cleaner on the diaphragm here or on the gasket. See? Nice and clean. Make sure it's dry before you put it back together. The carburetor cleaner can cause everything to expand. The gaskets, O-rings, any of this stuff. So if you get it on the diaphragm, the gaskets, it might still work, but it will not last near as long. And the metering diaphragm, if you get it on there, they tend to tear. Last one. Let's not forget to adjust the idle back. There, that's where it was. And that is how you disassemble, clean, and reassemble a 4-cycle gas trimmer carburetor.